Today I'll be doing a science experiment with a soccer ball. I'm going to be testing if the amount of pressure in a soccer ball affects how far it travels when kicked. The first of 8 kicks that I will be doing will be on 5 psi in the soccer ball. Let's see how far it goes. Just as a reminder, this is 5 psi. Let's see how far it goes. I kicked the soccer ball 31.69 meters on 5 psi. I'm testing the soccer ball distance on psi 5 twice, and then I'll take the average of that. And I'll do the same with the different psi levels. And I'm going to kick the soccer ball on 5 psi a second time. On my second attempt for kicking it on 5 psi, I got 33.83 meters. This is my first test with 10 psi in the ball. I'm gonna kick it and let's see how far it goes. It's already proven true that the more psi in a soccer ball makes it go farther. We kicked it 39.01 meters with 10 psi on the first test. And we're gonna kick it again to see if we get around the same measurement. This is test 2 with 10 psi in the soccer ball. I'm gonna kick it and let's find out how far it goes. On the second kick with 10 psi, I had 29.87 meters. And I'm taking the average of the soccer ball kicks because I can't have a constant, the same kicking speed with my leg. So I'm just taking the average to make sure that it's in between of the best and the worst kicks. This is the first kick on 15 psi. Let's see how far it goes.
Okay, we'll measure that now.
I kicked the soccer ball 28.65 feet on 15 psi. Let's line up the soccer ball and kick it again and see how far it goes. I kicked the ball 23.16 meters. Kicking the soccer ball with 20 psi in it is like kicking a bowling ball. It really hurts my foot. Okay, I have the soccer ball lined up again. We're gonna kick it and see how far it goes. I kicked the soccer ball 24.38 meters. It's still really hard to kick, and because of the data results, 10 psi is the sweet spot for a soccer ball. My hypothesis that the more air or PSI that you put inside of a soccer ball will increase the distance that it travels when kicked was proven wrong by my data right here. Because right here at 10 is where the peak is, and 20 is the lowest spot, which was 20 PSI, and that's the highest amount of PSI that I had for the test. So my hypothesis was proven wrong. My list of variables are: the independent variable is the air pressure, because I'm changing the amount of air pressure in the soccer ball. The dependent variable is the distance traveled whenever I kick the ball. The constants are the shoes that I wear. All of the soccer kicks are on the grass. I'm using the same soccer ball, and I'm kicking it every single time. And I don't have a control, so it's non-applicable. Thanks for watching.